Hello, fellow classmates. I am Sierra Poppleton, and today I will be giving you a quick and dirty rundown of how to become a high school home economics teacher. What even are home economics is a question that I asked myself 2 weeks ago when we took that Campbell Skills survey, and it gave me this as a recommendation for a career option that I should explore. So that's what I did. I explored it, and these are the basic things that fall under home economics. Some programs teach more, some teach less, but these are the basic ones that any home economics teacher would be teaching. The duties of a high school home economics teacher is kind of just like any high school teacher. They prepare course materials, keep track of attendance and grades, give lectures, grade papers, and they have to stay on top of the latest news and developments in home economics and attend professional conferences. So the required education depends on what state you're in. It's basically the same for it's the same as trying to become a high school teacher. You have to be licensed in the state that you want to teach in. And since I live in California, I decided to look into specifically how to do it in California. So in California, you must have a bachelor's or a higher degree. You must satisfy the basic skills requirement, which California gives a variety of options to do that. There's a variety of tests you can take. You must verify your subject matter competence. So basically, you need to prove that you know about home economics. You must complete a 2-semester course on the U.S. Constitution. You must complete a program that develops English language skills, computer technology skills, and health education. And then you must obtain a formal recommendation for the credential by the program sponsor. So this fits into my 4-year plan because I actually already have my bachelor's degree, but I did not get my bachelor's degree in family consumer science or education or nutrition, which are the 3 biggest degrees that people get when they want to go into home economics. So there are many undergraduate degree programs that help you to fulfill all these requirements, but I did not go through one of those degree programs, so I would need to go separately and take courses and exams to complete all these requirements. So now you might be asking yourself, what does this have to do with psychology? Well, I'm going to tell you what it has to do with psychology. So my original reason for studying psychology was because I just found the subject matter to be super interesting, and I knew that I wanted to be a teacher, and I just thought of all the subjects I want to teach about psychology because I think it's so interesting, and I would love nothing more than to just be in a classroom talking about psychology all the time. So I wanted to be a psychology professor, but as I've done more research on the subject of psychology, I'm kind of rethinking it, but I still want to be a teacher, just maybe of a different subject. So that is why I will continue to study psychology, because I still think that psychology is an important thing to study if you want to be a teacher, no matter what subject you're teaching. And as many of you know, Gallucci, who is a professor at Western Connecticut State University, did a study on why students study psychology, and the number one reason they gave was because they had a strong interest in the subject matter of psychology. And another reason, not quite as big as the first one, but another reason was because it's a good undergraduate degree to prepare for teaching. So both of these reasons are my reasons, and they fall in line with why other students studied psychology. And the fact that you are all studying psychology is great, because if you wanted, you can become a high school home economics teacher. And if you have any more questions about how to do that, please let me know. And I just want to thank you all for listening. So thank you.